Welcome to the lesson 2 of passing an array to a function. In this lesson, we will pass an array element to a function. In lesson 1, we added the content of x2 with 10 within function main. This time, we want to perform the addition outside function main within a user-defined function, modify. First, let's look at how to write the function header modify to accept a single element of an array. The function name is modify. It has one integer parameter, a. This means it is expecting to receive a single integer value, such as the array element. Inside function modify, a is added with 10. The result of addition is stored back in a. Function modify does not return any value, so its return type is void. In main, function modify is called. We pass x2 as an argument to the function. This is because function modify can only accept a single integer value, so we can only pass a single array element, such as x2. So, when calling function modify, we pass the value of x2, which is 12, to parameter a. Inside function modify, a, which is 12, is added to 10 to become 22. After the addition, a would become 22. Let's run the program to see if array element x2 is modified to 22. We found that after executing the modify function, x2 remains 12. It is not added with 10 to become 22, although in function modify, the value of x2 has been added with 10. Why x2 is not modified to 22, like in lesson 1? Let's illustrate behind the scene why x2 is not modified to 22, even though the value of x2 has been added with 10. First, an array x is declared and initialized to 10, 11, 12, and 13. Suppose the array is stored at memory locations 1000 through 1003. Then, function modify is called. The function is called with an argument x2. The value of x2 is passed to parameter a of function modify. Parameter a is a local variable of function modify. So, a is located at other memory location. Let's say at location 2000. Value 12 is copied from x2 and stored in a at location 2000. Whenever we pass an array element, such as x2, to a function, we are actually passing a copy of the array element to the function parameter. Passing an array element to a function like this is called passing by value. The function then adds a with 10. The result of addition, which is 22, is then stored in a. The content of x2 remains 12. So, when we print out the content of x2, it will still display 12. The value that is added with 10 is actually the copy of x2 in a, not the original content of x2. This explains why in previous C program, x2 remains 12. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.